What's it going to be? What's it going to be? I'm making a neon. It looks cute. I like its little horns. Hello, who are you? I'm making a neon. Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me video. Today I'm going to make more neon pets. So this time I'm going to make 5 dinosaurs neon. I'm going to make Dodo, Sabertooth, Wolly Mammoth, Stegasaurus, and there's a bonus, I might do Ground Sloth. Let's go to the cave, the neon cave. If you haven't been there before, but you've played Adopt Me before, then what you do is you go inside. Can you get off? It's hard for me to see. Thank you. So what you do is you go in this big middle dome. Oh, my skating now. It's because of the winter event we can skate here now. Ah! So let's go in here. So this is what it looks like at front. It's under this bridge. And if you go inside, it's quite creepy. But when you find out, there's a big place here. And there's a little girl standing here. And if you go and talk to her, hello there and welcome to my cave. This cave used to be a place where animals would visit to combine their spirits. But do be warned, 4 pets can go in, 1 come out. That's too fast for me to read. So I'm going to put 4 Triceratops, and if you haven't made a neon but you've seen this place, so you put 4 in these little circles and then 1 comes out here. These are all of my pets, and I have some really good pets. I'm going to make neon in all of them. So this is a Triceratops, and this is what happens when you place 1 down. That's the wrong thing. I bet you don't have this. Wait, did you see my videos? Hello, who are you? I'm making a neon. It's neon, and it's green. I like this Triceratops. Oh, they've got it as well, but it's not neon. Let's make a Stegasaurus next. So this, yes, so we're going to make another one. Neon. What color is it going to be? It's orange! I'm so happy! It's orange! Wait, let's have a look. The feet? Oh, look at this tail. It's so cute and it's flashing. Let's do another one, which is the Wolly Mammoth. Where is it? Here. So this is the Wolly Mammoth. And we can place them all down. And if you have any pet rideable or flyable, or you just gave them a random potion that you don't know what it's used for, then when you make it neon, it will still be flyable or rideable or anything. If you gave it a potion, it'll still be like that. Look, I got a fully reborn mammoth. It looks cute. I like its little horns. Let's do a Sabertooth now. So this is a Sabertooth. It's quite hard for me to find all of my pets because I have so many and I don't know which one's which. Here's the Sabertooth. Oh, Oh, he's so cute. Let's carry on. Down, down, here. Okay, so here's the last Sabertooth. And when we make it neon, I think the orange parts are going to be neon. And the red bits, if there are, I forgot. Yeah, the orange parts are going... Wait, I knew the orange parts were going to be neon, but I didn't think green. That looks so cute though. My only food. Eat. Look at its sharp claws. This guy's name is Tom Tom. Hi, Tom Tom. Let's do a Dodo now. So let's do a Dodo. Everyone knows what a Dodo is like. If you haven't, then this is what it looks like. Oh, what's it going to be? I'm so excited. What's it going to be? Is it going to be pink? Blue! It's blue! So now I'm going to do Ground Sloth. Final one for this video. Down. Ground Sloth. So if they're not all fully grown, I'll do it next time. Yay, they're all fully grown. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? I'm making a neon Ground Sloth. I hope the brown bits are going to be blue. Look at the sloth. It's cute. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. On my next video, I'm going to make 5 more neon pets. So make sure to subscribe and watch. Bye!